Hey Christian, saw your question about what this thing is, this 12 string thing. You can see it's a normal guitar, except that it's got 12 strings. Again, these are two of my Washburns. This is my baby though, my normal 6 string. So the thing is, this is a 12 string guitar, and on a 12 string guitar, obviously there's 12 strings, but you'll notice if you zoom in here, right here, that the strings are in pairs. So there's like 6 pairs of 2 strings. And there's one thinner string and one thicker string, and so they're in the same tuning as a normal guitar. The difference though is that the narrow string is up an octave. So I have, on a regular guitar, I have E, A, D, G, B, E, and on the 12 string I have 2 E's, or like I have 2 E's, 2 A's, 2 D's, 2 G's, 2 B's, and 2 E's. But the difference is that the strings are an octave apart for the first, or for these 4 strings, four sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they're the same on this one. And what happens is you get what's called a chorusing effect, because you can never get them exactly in tune with each other, and as a result of not being able to get them exactly in tune with each other, they actually, by getting them really close, they do what's called a chorusing effect, which makes it sound like you have multiple instruments playing, and kind of gives like a little vibrato, kind of like vibrato that happens. Like so you'll see here, what's that?
Like recorders.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why they sound terrible when the kids play them.
Ah. So here, the lowest string I got here is over here. It's the same lowest string I have here, but I also have, next to it, I have another string that's an octave up. So if I play, I'm going to start with the 6 string so you can kind of hear, I'll play the same basic thing on 6 string and then 12 string so you can kind of hear the difference. So. Yeah. So that's on the 6 string. If I go over to the 12 string and play the same thing, again, I don't have to learn all these new fingerings. All the fingerings that work on a 6 string work on a 12 string because they're in pairs. I'm just covering 2 strings at the same time. So I'll play the basic same thing again. You can hear the difference. Well, there you go. There's the explanation of what this thing's about, Big Beast is about. Thanks, Christian. Hope you're doing well.